Here's everyone's fantasy. You think retirement is going to rescue you. Like one day at 65, confetti falls from the ceiling, your boss evaporates, and your life transforms into a slow-motion beach commercial. But here's the savage truth. If your life is messy now, retirement just gives you more time to stare at the mess. Retirement doesn't fix chaos, it removes structure. And that's when reality shows up unannounced. Let's talk about lessons 8 through 14, the part where retirement stops being a dream board and starts being math. Lesson 8, consider part-time work. Relax. Before you panic, no, this isn't work until you die, but here's what happens. Some retirees quit cold turkey and realize by month 3, they're bored. There are only so many streaming services, only so many golf rounds, only so many times you can reorganize the garage. Optional work hits differently. Consulting, mentoring, a small business, part-time passion projects. Work stops feeling like survival and starts feeling like engagement. The goal isn't zero activity, it's zero obligation. Lesson 9, build a support system. Your job forced you to interact with humans. Retirement removes that overnight, and suddenly your social calendar depends entirely on you. Loneliness doesn't show up dramatically, it creeps in. Building community before you desperately need it changes everything. Friends, groups, shared interests. Money funds retirement, people make it worth waking up for. Lesson 10, plan for taxes in retirement. Some people think retirement means escaping taxes. That's adorable. Different accounts get taxed differently. Withdraw too much from the wrong place, surprise, you just bumped yourself into a higher bracket. The government doesn't retire when you do. If you spent 40 years building wealth, maybe spend 40 minutes understanding how it's taxed. Because losing money due to ignorance feels worse than losing it to markets. At least markets don't send letters. Lesson 11, simplify your financial life. By the time people hit retirement, their financial life often looks like a junk drawer. Old accounts, random stock picks, forgotten investments from that hot tip in 2007. You don't need complexity to feel sophisticated, you need clarity. Many retirees consolidate accounts, streamline portfolios, and simplify everything. Because managing 19 logins at 72 isn't a personality trait. Peace of mind is underrated wealth. Lesson 12, be smart about Social Security. A lot of people treat Social Security like it's a birthday present from the government. Something will arrive. How much? No idea. Vibes. But when you claim it matters a lot. Claim early because you're impatient. Congrats, you just permanently reduced your income. Wait strategically, you increase your guaranteed lifetime benefit. This isn't complicated. It just requires not being casual about a decision that lasts decades. You wouldn't randomly choose your wedding date based on vibes. Maybe don't do that with lifelong income either. Lesson 13, understand healthcare costs. Let's talk about the expense nobody wants to think about, healthcare. When you're young, you ignore it. When you're older, it ignores your bank account. Medicare decisions, supplemental plans, long-term care. This isn't optional. Pretending you'll figure it out later is how people burn through savings faster than a midlife sports car phase. Planning for healthcare isn't negative thinking, it's adult thinking, and retirement demands adulthood. Lesson 14, revisit and adjust the plan. Here's something refreshing. Retirement isn't a one-time irreversible leap. Markets move, life changes, expenses surprise you. The happiest retirees aren't rigid control freaks. They check in, they adjust, they pivot calmly. Control isn't about predicting everything, it's about responding intelligently. Here's the real gut punch. If you're stuck in a 9-to-5 right now thinking retirement is my escape plan, understand this. Retirement magnifies whatever habits you built before it. Financial chaos now, amplified. Clarity now, expanded. Isolation now, echo chamber later. Intentional living now, freedom later. Retirement isn't your hero, it's your report card.
If this breakdown made you slightly uncomfortable, good. That means you're thinking. Subscribe for more honest, no-fantasy conversations about money, work, and building a life where retirement becomes optional, not desperate. Because the real goal isn't escaping work at 65, it's never feeling trapped at 35.